Hello GKS UG 2024 applicants. The wait is over and the final list of candidates who are going to Korea, the list has been released yesterday. A total number of 32 students has been selected from India, and if you want to see the selected candidate list, let's check it together. For checking the list, you have to go to the website Study in Korea. You can find the GKS section. You have to click on GKS, and the most recent notice is the GKS UG 2020 final result announcement. Just click on the notice, you will find the attached list of selected candidate, and also there is second PDF attached to this notice, which is important notice for 2024 GKSU scholars. So in the next video we will talk about the important notice for the selected candidate. Meanwhile, this is the list of selected candidates. So congratulations, may all your dreams come true. These are the candidates who are going to Korea. All the best for your new journey. You can check country-wise list here. And a short message for the candidates who didn't get selected this year. It's okay to fail, it's okay. Maybe you failed to fly, you don't know, maybe this was not your time, but definitely keep working hard, keep trying, don't lose hope, believe in yourself, believe in your dreams. There's nothing that you cannot achieve. You can achieve each and everything. Just believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, keep working hard, and definitely you will achieve it. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Here is the list of selected candidates. Goodbye.